Are you feeling tired, low on energy, or struggling to lose those extra pounds? Do you wish you could strengthen your immune system and feel vibrant again, naturally? You're not alone. In today's world, many people feel drained, stressed, and out of balance. But the truth is, your body has an incredible ability to heal itself when you work with nature, not against it. Hi, I'm Dr. Wilco, and for over 20 years I've dedicated my life to understanding natural health and the true principles of vitality. My passion is helping people like you take back control of their health, safely, naturally, and permanently. That's why I created the Back to New Health program, a simple, step-by-step system based on the laws of life and the timeless wisdom of Mother Nature. Yes, I know, it is all so delicious, but many foods are simply not meant to be properly assimilated by the human body. We are slowly poisoning ourselves through poor diet and harmful habits, and that's why energy and vitality fade. In my program, you'll learn where toxins hide and how to eliminate them naturally. Humans are creatures of habit and addiction. It's easy to get stuck. Also, for many, exercise feels like a bad word. Too many people have become couch potatoes. Yet movement is essential for physical and mental health. Your body is designed to stay strong and toned. When you move, you don't just remove toxins, you give every organ a workout, helping your entire system function better. Maybe you're like me. I can accept my chronological aging, but physical aging is something I choose not to. Why this program works. Most diets and fitness plans fail because they fight against your body's natural design. Counting calories, depriving yourself, and following strict routines only lead to frustration and burnout. Back to New Health is different. It's not about restriction, it's about restoration. It's not about punishment, it's about empowerment. You'll discover how to rebalance your body's natural energy systems, reignite your metabolism through natural movement, strengthen your immune system from the inside out, reconnect with your body and mind through nature's principles. Finally, lose weight without stress, starvation, or guilt. You'll learn how to live in harmony with your body again and feel truly alive. A better you is closer than you think. Imagine waking up each morning full of energy, confidence, and clarity. Imagine feeling strong, light, and free, not weighed down by fatigue or frustration. That's what this program is designed to do. Guide you toward the version of yourself that thrives. Through gentle yet powerful lifestyle changes, you'll unlock your natural health potential and begin to glow from within. Take the first step toward renewal. Ask yourself one simple question. What is my health worth to me? You can continue spending on temporary fixes that bring short-term relief, or you can invest in a natural, life-changing system that restores your vitality for good. Our planet is full of wonders, and just like nature, your health is precious. We must care for both, because when we neglect them, both begin to break down. Your internal system is an environment of its own. Treat it with the same respect and gentleness you would show to the earth. Life gives back what you put into it. True vitality comes from a 100% plant-based lifestyle, and I'll show you why using honest, objective science. Did you know that ancient Roman gladiators, renowned for their strength and endurance, were plant eaters? Be mindful that the food industry uses clever marketing to influence your choices, not for your health, but for their profit. Your journey begins here. So I ask again, what is your health worth to you? If you're not ready to commit fully just yet, I invite you to watch a free sample of my program here on this page or visit www.youroriginalhealth.com. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my health channel. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.